I see a very strong, a very bright future for microfluidic. Microfluidic is a technology which is just at the beginning, just starting, and it's bringing a lot of benefits to the diverse applications. It's bringing automation, multiplexing, miniaturization, cost reduction, for example. It's bringing lab efficiency. It's important in new drugs development, for example, by replacing animal testing by in vitro model testing. It could be useful to develop personalized medicine. A lot of application in life science in general, I would say, and of course for diagnostics and point of care. The collaboration between Fluigent and CSEM started several years ago. We were aware of the very cutting-edge technologies that CSEM was developing. We saw in the market a real need for non-invasive or contactless flow rate measurement, and we found out that CSEM had great solutions to meet that need. So the technology works by indirect measurement. So it works with all kinds of liquids, so very liquid independent. Second big advantage is that it's not in contact with liquids, so it's really keeping the environment sterile.
CSEM had developed a technology already patented, but it was originally planned for larger flow rates. We want to extend it afterwards to lower flow rates, really going to the level of precision that is required by Fluigent. This is a challenge to have both the advantage of the technology with indirect measurement, no contact with the liquid, while being able to be very precise as required by the application. It was a very nice collaboration. We see a lot of dynamism. Of course, on the long term, CSEM is interested to build on this relationship, to understand first the need of the microfluidics industry and establish partnerships to hopefully transfer this technology also in the future.
This new non-invasive technology will really open up the possibilities of microfluidic. Flow measurement, flow control in microfluidic is critical for a lot of applications. When you want to generate droplets, it's very important to control the size, the content, the frequency of the droplet you generate. And this is done thanks to a very accurate flow measurement. You can run this blood test without having to clean all the machine. This will help in terms of efficiency, in terms of reliability, to unlock unmet needs, like in production of cell therapy-based treatment and this type of complex applications. We launched the product a few weeks ago, and the market reception is very good, and we have already sold several units to people developing cytometry. We have several beta testers working on the technology, satisfied with the product. So we feel like we have really filled a gap in the market. And what we can also see is the need to push more the technology to go into lower range, lower flow range. We are very proud of the collaboration and thankful to CSEM for the help and support in the transfer of the technology, as it was the first time such technology was brought to the market for this microfluidic range and for the microfluidic application. So this is a big premiere. We were able to launch successfully such a disruptive product.